Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to a new lesson with your teacher Carly. Today we are going to learn a new topic related with adverb verbs. But first, we are going to check the previous topic. Do you remember? In our last question, we started the present simple. Remember that we use the present simple to describe routine and habits. Those activities that we use or we realize in our daily routine. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. My sister takes a shower every day. My father reads a book all the time. So, we have to take into account this topic because in this lesson we are going to study what is the adverb verb. So, do you remember or have you ever listened to what are the adverbs of frequency? The adverbs of frequency answers to the question how often you do it. How often do you wash the dishes? How often do you study English? Taking into account these kind of questions that you are going to use in the next lesson. So, when we talk about adverbs of frequency, we also are related to them. Why? As you know, we use the present simple to describe our daily routine. In this case, we use the adverbs of frequency to use or indicate routine or activity. How often we do an activity. Also, we have to take into account this kind of questions. How frequently or how often. Here we have some of the most common adverbs that we can use to describe our daily routine. The first one is always. We use always to describe an action or an activity that we do frequently. For example, I always eat. The second is usually. We use usually to describe the routine that we also practice frequently. For example, I usually brush my teeth. The third one is often. We use often to describe an activity that we often, as the word says, we often rely. For example, we often wash teeth. We use sometimes when we do an activity, but in this case we practice this activity with less frequency. So, I sometimes wash the dishes. We use hardly ever to express that we practice an activity, but we don't practice with frequency. An example is I hardly ever go to a park. And the last one is never. We use never to indicate that we never do an activity. We never practice our daily routine. So these are the most common adverbs of frequency. Let's take a look. What is the position of the adverb in a sentence? An adverb of frequency goes before a main verb in a affirmative sentence. So, here we have the affirmative sentence, and give us the structure. First is going to be the subject plus the frequency adverb plus the main verb and after the complement. So here we have an example. You never play the guitar. You have the subject, the frequency adverb, the main verb, and the complement. Other kind of sentences is a negative sentence. We have the subject, the auxiliary pronoun or doesn't with their negative form, the frequency verb, the frequency adverb, and the main verb. So we have the sentence. I don't often watch TV. We have the subject, I don't, in this case because we have the pronoun I, and the frequency adverb often, the verb watch, and the complement TV. The other sentence with the connected sentence is the locative sentence. So here we have the Buddha auxiliaries at the beginning plus subject after the frequency adverb, the main verb, and the complement. And the question is, do you usually travel? The auxiliary, the subject, the frequency adverb, and the main verb. To do sentences with the adverb frequency, we have some daily routines that we use to word these sentences. So some of these are get dressed, surf the net, play with friends, play the guitar, go out with a friend, have breakfast, hang the clothes, and etc. With these expressions, we can describe a lot of activities that we do in our daily life. Now, let's go to practice this daily routine through one game that I prepared for you. So, here we have a game that we are going to use to practice the vocabulary related with the expressions that we see before. So, what have to do? We are going to match these expressions with the image. So, let's go together. Here we have the expression do the dish. Where is the correct image? The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, or the last one? Do the dish. So, if you choose the 1, 2, 3, 4 picture, it's correct. Play with friends. Where is the correct image? Yes, very good. The last one. Here, do the laundry. What do you think? Yes, very good. It's that. Take out the rubbish. Yeah, very good. Here we have a bowl. Take out the rubbish. Make a dinner. Yeah, the children look like children. Serve the net. Very good, the last one. Very good. Now we know some common expressions that we use with the adverb effect. Now we are going to listen a short video related to the adverb effect. So, taking into account the conversation between each person, we are going to solve a short quiz. So, pay attention. And here are some questions that we are going to talk together. First, what does she say about the lake? What do you think? What do you think that is correct? A or B? Very good. She rarely goes there. Here, what does she often have for dinner? Let's review the next conversation. So, what does she often have for dinner? Vegetables, very good. Here is the third conversation. So let's go to answer the third question. How does he get to work? He gets to work. He always drives or he sometimes takes the bus. Very good. He always drives. Next one. Let's go to answer the last one. How does she watch movies? She rents DVDs or she streams movies? Yes, she streams movies. Yes, and here are the results. Very good, very good job. Here we have another activity. It's related to grades. So let's check what have to do. So here we are going to put the adverb frequency on the correct place. For example, I go to the park. Okay, I often go to the park. So you in your house are going to write sentence and you're going to put the correct and we are going to put the adverbs of frequency in the correct form. So, let's go together. Joanna washed the dishes. Remember that when we use affirmative sentence, the adverb is always going to be after the subject. Okay? In this case, Joanna sometimes washes the dishes. And so on. So, please guys, solve this activity in your house. Finally, to finish our topic, we are going to develop this activity. What do I often have to do? We are going to participate in Padlet, where you are going to write what do you do often at weekends, taking into account the expressions that